and that's probably how. But who knows, you know? It might be different because, yeah. Okay, that's a good amount of stuff. Oh, no, nothing.
Oh my god.
Okay. Lol, no food yet again. As usual. As usual, I get no food. Which is really annoying, because, like, it's just harder to survive with no food. Yes. There we go. That's disgust. Away from the iceberg, you probably won't have magnet being into them. Is that? You would think. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, you gonna be happy? Well, I'm in BC right now. SSG card.
No!
Probably won't be a second. Ah! Yeah, it's okay. Oh, 101 ender. That's really good. Yeah, 101 ender.
Oh, I thought you were talking about.
Okay. No, I'd never hit a 101 inventor. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. You're cracked. Oh my god! Oh, this SSG core general. One 9 plus, yeah, 1 9 plus. 1 9 plus general SSG card. Oh. I'm not doing that. I'm not risking. No hand stables. It is housing.
Fuck off, dolphin. Fucking hate that guy. Coke.
Oh, Sag. Sag. God.
How do you pronounce your name?
Me?
No, Loya. I know it's Jeremy. I just don't know how to pronounce it.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck you. Your server muted. Because mods hate you.
Oh my god! Oh, OPG. Okay. Oh my god. I'm shaking right now. I'm nervous. This is the best pace I've been on in a while.
Bro. Fucking ass.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah. Ah!
I think
What's
I
that
can get
mean?
20 obby. I think I can.
Still very on pace.
I am on pace.
What is S?
I
What's
got like
S?
an
Oh.
immediate bastion spawn. Like I got a spawn immediately into a bastion.
Oh my god,
insane.
7 minutes.
Yeah.
This might be a sub 10 blind.
This could
This isn't gonna be a sub 10
This
blind.
would be Sagia.
No.
Wait, where's the fortress?
I'm pyrite
It's over there.
right now.
Oh my god.
14.
14.
This is gonna be a sub 10 blind.
I think you want to go to the fortress now.
Hang on. Holy, you got this. Alright, it's not east. You can always death yourself.
Here's mine.
Alright, I probably should.
I bet it's north.
Okay, increase render and then you can just go back. And if it goes up in the chunk you're in, like in this chunk, then it's on the left.
Yeah.
Or it's west. Or,
I'm sorry, I'm gonna be making quite a bit of mistakes. Hang on. Wait, we need to go back 0. It's, west. Okay. I have 20 obby.
West.
I am gonna do that. 1, 2.
You have like 8 boots.
I know. Wait, I have 8 boots. Are you serious? Okay, lol.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna check them out.
Get rid of one.
I got rid of.
Wait, you need to like have custom.
I'm sorry, Knight. I'm sorry.
It's
Knight.
fine. It's fine. This is like the best pace you've ever been on.
Alright, I give up with this stupid ass like.
This is gonna sub 15.
Wait.
12, but why? Those are pigs.
Alright, there we go.
Actually,
You need to like block
Wait,
yourself
why?
out.
Hang on. Give me a sec.
You know if you respawn, they're gonna hit you, so don't death reset here. Oh, it's kind of already done.
You can just swap with them all.
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, it's right there. Go.
It's right there. Hang on.
I see the bastion.
I'm. Oh yeah.
There are gonna be a lot of mobs on that fort, just letting you know.
Okay.
Oh, really? It's the place spawner. I reckon if you want to play safe, just spawn instead. But you have to kill
Alright.
them.
I'm gonna see if you can find a spawner.
How much obby do you have? 10 or
20.
20? Holy shit, do you have a calculator?
I do. I just need to open it.
No calc runners. Guys, the pace is
You guys
crazy.
mean God.
Wait, what? Why is the fortress like in each other though? I've seen them like this.
Top 10.
Oh, the spawn is there. What are the coins?
I see it. I see it. I see it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
These are
Oh my
actually
god.
to
Oh my
get
god.
fixed
Oh my
well.
god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right.
What?
Guys, I see you.
Why can I hear like echoing?
Okay. Oh wait, is that double spawner? It's close. It's close spawners. Like one's up there and one's like the other one.
Oh, okay. 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 Okay.
Not to alarm you, but this is
You're gonna go 6 for 20 like me. Both my PvPs.
along with being sub 25 case. This is also.
Oh wait, what did he spawn for? Oh, Pace Pal, this could be
You'll
top
have
10.
subnight. Please tell me what this subtitles is. Please.
How?
I want you to be absolutely.
Imagine if it's ultra refined, guys. This would be like the best.
I'm gonna go second
Sub
row.
40.
Sub
Sub
40.
40, true.
Yeah, I do. I'm gonna definitely
Guys,
second
we all
row.
need to watch. This is crazy.
This might sub hour.
My first time beating the game in this version is sub hour. Like solo.
Yeah, man. Oh, okay, yeah. Say 7 if you can.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're true. Bullshit.
Be very careful.
Pause, man.
Fucking
Pause, man.
4 blazes got no rocks.
You ran out of fire res.
Oh.
Oh, you have
Oh,
no
yeah.
fire.
Shit.
Thank you so much.
I didn't realize. You have it. Okay, yeah, you have it.
I'm going 7. Be safe.
Wait,
Alright,
kill
there you
another place.
8, yeah, 8. 8 rods.
8. That is definitely enough.
I think you need 10.
Not
Oh
my god!
I mean, 24. I'm sorry, but this scene is
That's
actually.
not an one. What? What?
Sleep.
Okay.
Just keep, okay. Just go.
Hyperventilating.
Oh my god.
Sub 30.
Oh.
Unverifiable Pac-Man.
Oh. Okay.
Oh my god, the pace.
Okay.
This is like 5
Oh, Crimson's
539
there.
blinds. 539 blinds.
No, it's not 539 blind. Okay, I need to do a new
I
graph.
almost know. You might want to get woods.
Yeah.
No. Alright, fine, you can have the score.
You're doing this so fast.
Fine, you can have the score.
I think
Oh
you
my
might
god.
be the
Oh my
goal.
god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
This
god.
is
Like
gonna
negative.
sub hour.
Okay.
Alright. My spawn's set. Yep. Okay.
Wait, why do you want to
Why are you def resetting on 8 hearts?
Because
5 head.
I'm being.
Don't craft all your scrolls in
You're in the,
Oh
you're
my
in the
god.
overworld too. You can just
Wait.
skip through.
Lol. Get rolled.
5 head.
That's why I lost sub 20. I lost sub 20 to an endermite. That's nice.
20 block blind.
Okay, you might want to get your bed
20
back.
Alright, yeah, I do. I think I'm anyway.
And now you want to throw the eye.
First, I'm gonna get wood.
Oh, you might want to get more explosives. Wait, you can mine stream the library.
Yeah. Alright.
I mean, they have 4 beds.
Need to throw out.
Okay.
I guess.
Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna go on the top of this,
Yeah, go on the tree.
this
It's fine.
tree.
It's 200 blocks.
Wait, break that. It boxes off.
Oh, yeah, be on full screen. Yeah.
Alright, it's fine.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
This.
It's good.
Oh my god, that's really good likelihood from my first eye.
How close?
Is it 10?
No, it's 1 for your scroll sensitive.
Oh.
No, 10 and 1 are the same.
Whatever, doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Also change out your lava for water.
Alright, do I go this way?
Wait, do you have the wood? Do you have
What is the
Yeah,
distance?
alright, just making sure.
This way?
Mm-hmm. On that hill, perhaps.
Yeah,
Okay.
these are another.
You might have
That-
to
okay,
do
that's
I
some
think you
damage.
got a def reset
Like
again.
a pearl, it's just fall damage.
On top of this tree, I'm gonna go.
Alright, I'm playing RSG. I can't be honest.
Holy.
Stop time. Why is this? Okay.
This good?
Yeah, that's good.
God!
You can use
Whoa.
the nether to travel.
World
It'll be
record.
so fast.
How close is it?
700,
700?
yeah.
Oh,
Dude,
that's
that's
so
so
close.
close.
That's one pearl.
Oh my god.
One pearl, another. Where's my eye? There's my eye.
You kind of don't need
Alright,
it. You have
slash
like,
of fire
you have like
remember
8
to do that.
What?
fire is back in the nether, by the way.
Remember to slash fire.
Okay. Should
You can
I?
also kill oh no.
No, it's fine. You don't need to go for it. Why you go for this, guys?
You should death reset.
I am.
Just use fall damage to do it though.
You might not have enough pearls. You should do
Yeah,
full
I'm gonna-
damage.
Yeah, that's what Knight said. Respawn point
Alright,
is at.
just dig down like there. Yeah, there's your death reset hole.
Alright.
That's 4 blocks. That's too much.
Okay. And
Well,
then,
no,
Yeah, and then
you-
pillar up there.
how much?
I'll count it up for you. Half a heart, 1 heart, 2 hearts, 3 hearts, 4. Wait, hang on. Place 5 more.
Yeah, that's good.
2, 3, 4. 5.
That's enough. That's enough.
Just
That's like
drop
8
down.
hearts. Go, go, go.
I'm on.
After you get sub 30, can you send the seed?
Yeah, sure.
Just splash your fires on.
Alright.
What's your angle?
Choking. Choke the submarine.
Negative 165.
Choking.
Oh,
Negative
sure,
165.
good shot.
Not positive.
We're at 80. Negative 165. That way.
This isn't too far. It's really close.
Careful, it could be with the skeletons. Exactly.
Who has the same profile pic as Loki? Who's that?
Magnetic, maybe.
Magnetic.
Real.
No, magnetic maybe has a different one.
Negative
Uh-uh.
176.
He's spooky.
He has the silly.
Alright, just.
Can you just throw a pearl? Or is it like that close now?
I don't really know.
You gotta go back to the overworld and def reset now.
Hang on.
That's reset number 4.
Please, just be a bit. Just keep in mind that this is.
You're supposed to go negative 165.
You're at 158, but what's the
175, but. Or negative 176.
if that skeleton shoots you somehow? Oh my god. Ah,
Man to the rescue. Wait, what's your fires version? Minute.
Alright, what do I do? What do I do now? Do I just do it
build the
now?
portal. Are those the cords?
Yeah, these are the chords.
It's not gonna hit.
Nah, it could be a
Oh,
wise. Oh my god.
Well, good. There's like a 5% chance this enters the stronghold because you're so high.
Yeah.
Calm down.
Us, man.
One step reset.
No! No! Damn it!
No!
Oh my.
Damn it!
That's so sad. That was
I
some
choked.
days.
Yeah, that should have been. I'm so bad! I'm so bad! I am so bad! That should have been it.